Hello baby crow! Today we will present you Britax B-MOTION 3 Children's Jogging Stroller. This stroller is designed for children aged from 6 months. It is 3-wheeled and folding. The maximum permissible weight for B-MOTION 3 is 17 kilograms. Let's overview this model more closely with us. Specifications. This stroller is folded as a book. To fold it, you need to hide the hood, press the side button on the chassis, and pull the belts in the middle of the stroller, and the 5-point safety belts. The stroller is automatically fixed and does not take much space when folded. You can remove a bumper for more compactness. To unfold the stroller, press the clip on the chassis side and pull the handle. It is very comfortable and quick. The jogging block is installed only in the direction of movement. The child is fixed in the stroller with the 5-point safety belts, adjusted in height. The backrest cover has holes for this. You can put the belts through them and increase or reduce the belt's length. The backrest is adjustable. To do this, pull the belts behind and lower the backrest completely to the horizontal position for sleep, or raise it to the desired previous position by pulling these belts. You can increase the hood size by unfastening a special zipper. In this case, the air access for the child will not decrease, since the additional piece of the hood is made of mesh material. It protects from UPF 50+ ultraviolet rays. The hood also has a mesh window in it. You can open it and watch the baby or close. It is fixed on Velcro. The wheels are inflatable and rubber. To lock the rear wheels, press the special regulator at the right wheel by a foot. To unlock it, raise the regulator accordingly. There is only one wheel in the front. It is swivel and can be also locked. If you need to go on the uneven surface, you'd better lock it. Lower the black regulator over the wheel to lock it, and raise it to unlock. In case of repair or other need, the wheels are easily removed. Just press the metal plate over the front wheel and the same plate under the wheel in the rear. Due to the rear suspension, the amortization is very good. That allows you to go on even hard-to-get roads outside the city. A protective bumper can be removed. It will not complicate the sitting or taking your child off the stroller in any way. You can take it aside by pressing the button on the bumper side, or remove it at all by pressing 2 buttons on both sides. The handle is adjustable in height. To do this, press the buttons on both sides and lower or raise to the desired position. At the rear, there's a comfortable small pocket on the zipper for necessary things for mother and baby. You can remove it at all in the hot weather. A large window with a mosquito net is hidden behind it. The hood will still protect your child from the sun in the lying position. The basket below the stroller can withstand a weight of up to 5 kilograms. Its sides are made of mesh material to find easily the right thing visually. The stroller fabric is waterproof. Therefore, you can teach your child to walk in any weather from an early age. The special Click&Go adapters that are included into the stroller kit allow you to mount the Baby Safe or Baby Safe Sleeper car seat to the chassis. You can also attach a removable car seat instead of a jogging block. And when you need to remove adapters, press the buttons on the adapters and remove them. The stroller weight is 11 kilograms due to the lightweight aluminum frame. The stroller dimensions in the unfolded form are 105 by 58 by 100 centimeters. In the folded form, 27 by 58 by 70 centimeters. Britax B-MOTION 3 jogging stroller is compact when folded, all-terrain due to the large swivel rubber wheels, and has a stylish design. The difference between Britax B-MOTION 4 and Britax B-MOTION 3 is a slightly extended sleeping place by 1 cm and 3 cm smaller width between the end points. And of course the wheels, B-MOTION 3 has 3 wheels and the new model has 4 wheels. The 4 model is lighter by half a kilogram than the previous version. Hopefully our today overview was helpful to you. There's a lot of new ahead. Stay with us!